Lester Coke, who is the nephew of convicted drug lord Christopher Dudas Coke, is dead. He died following injuries he sustained in a crash along the Bustamante Highway in Tivoli Gardens sometime after midday. As you'll hear in this report, Coke, who was driving a motorcycle, was hit by a taxi.
It's a somber mood here in Tivoli Gardens, home to Lester Coke, who was killed in a road crash earlier today. Now, residents did not want to speak to us on camera, but this is what they told us. So the taxi that hit Coke, who was traveling on a motorcycle, was coming from this direction. And according to the residents, he was driving at full speed and did not stop. So Coke was traveling in this direction when he was hit by the taxi. Now, remnants of the motorcycle, as you can see, it's still on the roadside. And one of the things that we were also told is that this road was recently paved. And if my cameraman can show you, it was recently paved. And ever since that road was fixed, persons have been speeding. Now, the residents are urging drivers that when they are traveling on the road to be mindful of the children as well as the residents who normally converge at the side of the road, because they are concerned that there is an increase in speeding since this road was fixed. Reporting from Tivoli Gardens, I'm Janella Precious for TVJ News.